A typical Do-in differs from a Mu-Do-in, a true martial artist. We have to differentiate between them. A typical Do-in is a person who studies to equip themselves, striving to reach enlightenment by becoming one with grand nature. However, a Mu-Do-in, a true martial artist, becomes a Do-in by equipping themselves with martial art techniques and etiquette. So when people, equipped with everything while working in society, enter into their 50s, they must become Do-ins. What happens then? They become societal parents who live not for themselves, but for society. They know the way to lead all the societal systems. They learn this all through Ye, etiquette. So they can become mentors of the world and lead people on the right path. A Mu-Do-in, a true martial artist, is a person who becomes a mentor to all societies and humanity. One who knows the way. We can call you a Mu-Do-in when you become a person who leads the world after being well versed in all the paths. Mu-Do-in. However, Taekwondo hasn't reached this stage yet. So they have no choice but to remain stagnant. Therefore, Taekwondo was popular but couldn't improve anymore. Why? Because there's no true master-student hierarchy. If you are equipped with Ye, you go up one level, whereas if you achieve Do, you will reach a higher level. Then you will be on top, one who leads society. There was a time when we admired the martial artists who mastered Taekwondo. But at some point, the environment to do so disappeared. Certain education was missing. This is Hongik, character education. What will we call completed Taekwondo? It will be Hongik Taekwondo. When it is completed, the name Hongik Taekwondo will be attached. Hongik character education contains all physical, mental, and spiritual training for Hongik Ingans. We organized Taekwondo not knowing these things and spread it out internationally as a product. But nothing more than that happened. People should be well equipped with it when they are young and learn society by being equipped with Ye of youth and adolescence. They learn about a particular society. After being equipped with character education, these young adults become leaders in the society. They are martial artists who become the mentors of this society. That's why every martial art practitioner in today's society is actually a martial art technician. They are all martial art technicians, and there is no true martial artist, Mu-Do-in, yet. This occurred not only in Taekwondo. There are no Mu-Do-ins in the world, only martial art technicians. However, some think they are true martial artists like Do-ins while practicing with knives and such. However, the ideology is not there. That's why some movies mistakenly portray the lead character as a Do-in. So we are living in ignorance about this. Taekwondo, which includes education on human and global conditions, was created as an authentic martial art to be taken in by all world people. So we should not stick with the current framework. Those equipped with a new framework should gather together to research, and others should develop it further. But no one showed this path. That's why it's stagnating right now. So it has to be perfected in our time. We must show Taekwondo as an authentic martial art to the world. Real Taekwondo. We have spread all the seeds of Taekwondo to the international community. But there's no next level. That's why they keep raising the black belt level. Originally, Taekwondo only authorized up to a third-degree black belt. But they added the fourth degree and kept honorarily increasing to fifth, sixth, and seventh. Now there's even ninth degree. Come on. If you are a ninth degree black belt, you should be a doin, true martial artist. Therefore, there were only 3 basic black belt levels. Taekwondo was originally about going up to a third degree black belt. And the fourth degree was given next only when they attained an upright character. If you want to go up more, you should be equipped with etiquette. Then you can go up to the 7th degree according to the evaluation. The 7th degree black belt means mastering all levels. Going up to the 7th degree doesn't mean being a master, but having the qualifications such as etiquette to become a mentor for society, a mentor. So if you honorarily go above a mentor, you will become an adult who guides the nation. You become a true adult for society, a mentor of mentors, a doin who is equipped even with spiritual ability, a doin. So a mentor is at a little lower level. You need to be in your 50s to become an authentic doin, a true martial artist. There cannot be a doin in their 40s. You have to know this well. In the future, a doin means that you should be in your 50s. When you reach your 50s and do your job, your ability will appear. In your 40s, you're in the middle of the testing stage and cannot show your competence in society. Until our 40s, we are in a testing stage. And in our 50s, we have to find something to do. If you really have found your duty, you would become an adult in society. Only with these people will society go on the right path. Not much to do in their 50s? They have all failed. That's where they stopped growing. Having nothing to do as an adult means you have failed. You must achieve higher quality accomplishments the older you become. This is a true adult. Then your health will be maintained. We must organize martial arts while taking care of social issues. Taekwondo will be a masterpiece for this. You can understand it like this. Let's go this far. I'll take more questions from here.